I'm the creator of this channel. Welcome! With me you can find cosmetic and cold process soap recipes and candle making process. Today I'm making a large wax melt in the shape of unicorn heads to then cut according to your desire. I choose to make two series, one pink, the other one turquoise. I always respect the indication of my producer to know the different temperature of my wax, when to add colors and fragrance oil and when to pour. I recommend you do the same because different producers or different wax can have different temperature to work with. I decide to use Mica to color them. Mica, unlike wax dye, become iridescent as they melt and create sublime arabesques in your boiler. However, it's not recommended to use Mica in candle because it clogs the wicks and choke it. To meet the demand of my nieces and nephew, I'm going to do two sets of three. The first will be candy pink and scented with lavender lemon fragrance oil, and the second will be turquoise and scented with Enchantment fragrance oil. I let you with the video. You can find my recipe and links in the description box. If you want to see similar recipe, you can find what you're looking for in my previous videos. I hope you enjoyed this one. You can find me here on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok if you have any question for me. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye.